Hey everyone, I'm Natasha, a team member here at Sephora, and today I was feeling cute with my half hair up pigtails. They're a little 90s girl band, a little bit e-girl. So I'm going to show you how to create this super fun and easy look. The first step is we're going to grab our curling iron, and it's by GHD Curve, and it's 1 1/4 inches, and I'm going to show you how quickly it heats up. So I'm just going to click the button right now, and it literally takes so short amount of time to heat up. And then the next step is I'm going to use the Drybar Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Spray, and I love this because my hair has been so damaged. Like last year it was platinum blonde. I didn't really realize how much styling with heat tools would also damage on top of my hair. So I really rely on using a heat protectant spray. So I'm just gonna generously spray. And you even want to get like the bottom sides, get on in there. And it smells so good. Like if you ever have gone to a Drybar salon, just like fresh. Okay, welcome to the journey of hair curling. So I'm going to part my hair how I would like putting it half hair up, and then just put this up in a little bun. Just for good measure, I'm gonna spray parts that were like hidden because I really take my heat protectant seriously. So first piece is I'm grabbing it, and I like to like kind of run the curling iron through my hair just because it's like it's unwashed at the time, so there's like a lot of creases in it. I put my hair up or down like in a messy bun throughout the entire day. Like it's always like different styles. Look how pretty. So I'm gonna keep it like that. I'm not gonna brush it through yet. I want these all to look very ribbony, and it's just one of those trust the process moments. So I'm curling my hair the opposite side of where it's hitting my face, and then I'm going to do it the same with the other side so I could just have like cascading volume. So once the curls are set for the bottom ones, I'm just going to lightly spray it. This is the Moroccanoil Luminous Hairspray, and I'm just going to spritz it through the pieces that are complete and then scrunch it up like so. I like this hairspray for this kind of hairstyle because it's strong but it's flexible, so in the end when I like comb everything through and add some like texturizing spray, it's gonna look. So here I always do like 4 parts. Like I do this little section, and then I'm gonna do another section in the middle, and again going away from my face because I want to add that volume. It's like a volume motion. Going in with the flexible hairspray, just a little spritzy, not too heavy. Scrunch it up. We'll deal with that later. Same side, just different section. Still pulling away from my face with the curls. Almost done. And since this side kind of flew over, I'm gonna do this piece and we're gonna switch direction. So this side going away from my face. Alright, then a final spritz. Alright, so before I brush it out, I want to just show you how curly and bouncy it is. So before I brush it out, I'm gonna do the middle part of like where I'm gonna have my little 2 moños, little 2 pigtails. And okay, the middle part is very important. And then now I'm going to comb it out. And I'm gonna do this side and then show you the difference of how it looks to the other side. See, she's like voluminous. She's fun. She's free. And then now, gotta do it all over. And you don't want to like pull your hair. Gently comb out. Alright, so we're done here. Looks good. Zhuzh it a bit. So now that my hair is combed out and we got our curls going, here comes the next step for figuring out where the little ponytails are gonna go. So my hair is pretty heavy because it just is. I've seen people do like the little pigtails just like using this part of their hair, but like whenever I do that, it always like falls to one side and it just does not work with my hair type. So I have to like go all the way back here to like the crown of it. Gonna go, and you're gonna want to hit your ear. You see that? Right at the ear. This is what works for me. I like doing this. And then we're not gonna put her up yet, but we want to hold her aside. See, there's your ear. We're looking symmetrical. I know we did all that hard work with the curls, but I swear, again, trust the process. This part right here, I'm just gonna put it up in this clip again. So, all right, now this step, I'm going to use the Briogeo Curl Charisma gel, and here's the thing. So this gel says it's for curly hair. I like to use this to hold back any of my baby hairs. My baby hairs are like super curly and frizzy, and this helps me tame them. Hairspray won't cut it. You see this right here? Like this needs like a glue, and this is gonna hold it back. So you just want to grab like a little bit. See that? I already have a facelift. Amazing. And then using this kind of little bristly brush, it's gonna take back all the little flyaways. Tie it like you would a regular little ponytail. Oh no, see, don't do that to yourself. Don't like scrunch it, because then do you see how much frizz just came out? So I have to do it again. Don't do that. Don't play yourself. Okay, instead of going like, I'm just gonna go like this. Just like pull it down, because I don't want those disrespectful bumps coming in. So I'm still gonna go in with the gel, warm it up a bit. All right, that's as good as it's gonna get, and I like it. Next side, symmetrical, then snatched, like, see the baby hairs, why you gotta do that? Why? And like, I've seen this hairstyle before have like little strands like that, very 90s-esque, but my hair's dirty, so I'm not about to put oily strands right here that like stick onto my head. So I just want to pull everything back. Again, going in with some gel, your little comb. Okay, so we're done with that step. Now, take down my hair. This is the fun part. So now we're just gonna add volume. And what I like to use is this volumizing spray, and it's by Verb. Light hold and weightless grit. So pop it off. And we're just gonna go to town, okay? There are no rules. Do you see that volume? Tease it a bit, but not too much, because you don't want it like super knotted. I'll do this side first, so you'll see like the teased versus non-teased. So this side, voluptuous, she's ready to go. Now we're gonna tease this side. Lastly, I'm just gonna lightly spray all over, because I am such a hairspray person. And also it's like day 3. Of course, I want my hair to smell good, and all of these products just make it seem like my hair smells magnificent. All right, and that's it. Great bounce, super shiny, and I love that it's a quick update to everyday hair. Sometimes it's super fun to just try something out that's new and out of your comfort zone. Let me know if you would try out this look in our comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you're into watching these hair tutorials. And that's it. Adios.